going to try this mop out. It's a Moxie. Pull the cover off. And we have to push this down like this. Put it in the water and let it soak in the water. And you bring it up. And you twist it like this to wring the water out. Just twisting the handle, holding on here, but twisting. And push down like that. And then you can undo it and begin to mop your floor. It's pretty easy. This is how an 80-year-old man mops his floor. Now, looking at the mop, it was white when I started. It's starting to turn a little brown. Put it back in the water. Rinse it up and down. Twist it to bring the water back out again. Push down. This is actually my drone room. I haven't cleaned it ever. Move the water out of the way so we can mop some more. And the bottom of the mop, you'll see there's a blue section. This is in case you have dirt on the floor you can't get out. You can go like this and give it a good rub, and it'll clean it off. Now, I'm not exactly a house cleaner. That was my wife. But I was a watcher of a house cleaner. And this is what she did. So this is what I'm doing. And already the mop is turning brown. I think this floor needed cleaning a long time ago. But that's how this mop works.